Welcome back to my next new project on the Stihl KM131R weed whacker. This week whacker fell off of a one-story home cleaning out the rain gutter, and the weed whacker had fallen onto the ground and broke the fuel tank, as you can see. So I wanted to record to show you how you can take this apart. You take out these screws here using the tool. Usually you have to buy it from the place. It's a Torx. You can use your own, but this is really handy to have on hand. Anyway, you simply, once you unscrew this, you take this off, and you can see the inside of how it all works. And then take the fuel tank off, and you unbolt those two holes there, and it comes right out like that. Then you take the other bolts out, one here, one up there, and anywhere else, and then this pops right there too, and then it pops right off. And then after that, I already undo the carburetor, and it just slides right off, and you set that down. And this is the other next thing I noticed when it fell off. It broke this plastic throat part that feeds air into the engine, and so it won't run very well, and that comes right off. Other than that, we're waiting for the new part to come, and we'll have this whole assembly, making sure we get the new gasket and a whole new plastic assembly, kind of a pretty cheap kind of glass fiber, something really cheap plastic. And you can see there, that's where it would go in. Other than that, everything else looks pretty good, and then you just have to pop this off of there and undo your grounding and pop off the hose, and the carburetor will come right off. So it runs. I have already fired it up, and by spraying starter fluid a little bit on the carburetor, and it would run. So we know that everything else mechanically wise is still good. Other than that, it's pretty expensive.